Hello there, my name is Richard McMunn and I am an English language tutor, and in this training video I will teach you how to use the words there and there correctly. You will notice that these three words sound exactly the same, but they are spelt very differently. So if you want to improve your English language communication skills and, more importantly, understand how to use these words when writing emails, writing text messages, or generally communicating in the written format, make sure you stay tuned. By the end of the video, I promise you, you will be competent in the use of these three words. So to achieve that goal, I will cover the following three things in this English language training video. Number one, I will explain the difference between there, and there. By the end of the video, you will understand the difference between these three words and, more importantly, be able to use them when writing the English language. Number two, I will give you 10 questions to practice that will help instantly improve your use of these three words. And then finally, number three, I will give you another video to watch that will help improve your English language skills. So to begin with, let me explain the difference between the words there, and there. So you will notice that they are spelt very differently. The first there is spelt T-H-E-R-E. The second there is spelt T-H-E-I-R. And the final there is spelt T-H-Y''R-E. So let's begin with the first there, T-H-E-R-E. Please make sure you take notes. So the difference is this. T-H-E-R-E refers to a specific place or location. For example, an example sentence is, the book is over there on the table. So that sentence is referring to the fact that the book is in a specific location over there on the table. Another example is, you can park your car over there, T-H-E-R-E. So it is referring to a specific location or place. However, the word T-H-E-R-E can also be used as a pronoun to introduce a sentence. Let me give you an example. There was a beautiful sunset in the sky last night. Or, there are many reasons to visit the park. Okay, so there, T-H-E-R-E refers to a specific place or location, and it can also be used as a pronoun to introduce a sentence. So now that we understand how the word there, T-H-E-R-E, is used when writing in the English language, let's move on to the next one, which is T-H-E-I-R. Again, please make sure you take notes. So T-H-E-I-R there is a pronoun that indicates ownership. For example, a sentence might be, they took their dog to the park. The dog belongs to them, so therefore the sentence reads, they took their dog to the park. T-H-E-I-R. Another example is, that is their car. The car belongs to them. So there, T-H-E-I-R is a pronoun that indicates ownership. Let's now move on to the final there, T-H-E-Y''R-E. And once we've covered this there, we will move on to those 10 questions to assess your knowledge and understanding of using these three words in written format. There, T-H-E-Y''RE is a shortening or contraction of the words they are. For example, they're going to the store. So that could be written, they are going to the store. Another example is, they're only staying for an hour. They are only staying for an hour. So there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E is a shortening or contraction of the words they are. So now that we understand the difference between these three words, it's your turn to try some test questions. Now the following test has 10 there, and there questions for you to try. So please put your answer to each question in the comment section below the video for marking. I will come onto the video every day and mark your answers for you. So the aim is to get 10 out of 10. If you do get 10 out of 10 questions correctly, then your English language skills are brilliant. Thank you very much. So question number 1 states, complete the sentence with either T-H-E-R-E, T-H-E-I-R or T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. And on the right hand side, I'm going to give you a 5-second timer. You will have 5 seconds to put your answer in the comment section below the video. So question number 1, which their word would you use to complete that sentence? Put your answer in the comment section. Here is your 5-second timer. Well done. Test question number 2. Again, complete the sentence with either there or there. Which there would you use to complete that sentence? Blank, going to the shops to buy some chocolate. Here is your 5-second timer. Test question number 3. Again, complete the sentence with either there or there. Mark and Jessica decided to put blank house up for sale. Tell me which there you would use. Here is your 5-second timer. Test question number 4. Complete the sentence with either there or there. Blank was a loud bang at the start of the fireworks. Here is your 5 seconds. Well done. Test question number 5. Complete the sentence with either there or there. Blank is no better feeling than achieving a long-term goal. Tell me your answer in the comment section. Here is your timer. Test question number 6. Again, complete the sentence with either there or there. I borrowed blank car to pick up some groceries. Which there would you use? Here is your timer. Question number 7. 4 more to go. Complete the sentence with either there or there. I can't believe blank already finished with the assignment. Which one would you use? Here is your timer. Question number 8. Again, complete the sentence. If blank running late, we might need to start without them. Which there would you use? Here is your timer. And 2 more to go. Question number 9. Again, complete the sentence with either there or there. Is blank any way to solve this problem quickly? Here is your timer. Put your answer in the comments, please. Question number 10. Complete the sentence. The students were excited to receive blank exam results. Here is your timer. Well done. Brilliant. I am hoping you will get 10 out of 10. So let's start working through the answers. Here we go. Question number 1. Blank dedication to the project was evident in the quality of their work. T-H-E-I-R is the answer for question 1. Their dedication, because the dedication belongs to them. Don't forget, T-H-E-I-R is indicative of ownership. Question number 2. Blank going to the shops to buy some chocolate. They are. T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E is a contraction or shortening of the words they are. They're going to the shops to buy some chocolate. Question number 3. Mark and Jessica decided to put their house up for sale. Their house belongs to them, indicating ownership. Therefore, the correct there is T-H-E-I-R. Question number 4. Blank was a loud bang at the start of the fireworks. T-H-E-R-E. Because the word there, T-H-E-R-E, can be used as a pronoun to introduce a sentence. Question number 5. Blank is no better feeling than achieving a long-term goal. It's the same there. T-H-E-R-E, a pronoun to introduce a sentence. Question number 6. I borrowed their car to pick up some groceries. T-H-E-I-R, because the car owns to the other people. It demonstrates ownership. T-H-E-I-R. Question number 7. I can't believe they're already finished with the assignment. It is referring to a person or persons. I can't believe they are already finished with the assignment. It is a contraction or shortening of the words they are. Question number 8. If they're running late, we might need to start without them. Again, the sentence is referring to an individual or a group of people. If they are running late, we might need to start without them. Question 9. Is there any way to solve this problem quickly? T-H-E-R-E. And question 10. The students were excited to receive their exam results. T-H-E-I-R. Because the exam results are owned by the students. Okay, well done. Please tell me your score out of 10 in the comment section below the video. If you'd like me to mark your answers for you, again, just put your answers in the comments and I will come on here each day and mark them for you. Thank you very much. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your use of the English language and to improve your English language speaking and writing skills is to watch this next video by clicking that link in the top right hand corner of the video. Click that link and I will give you another brilliant video to watch that will significantly help to improve your English speaking skills. Please watch that video right now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I am here to help you improve your English speaking and writing skills. I can only achieve that goal if you are subscribed. And please hit the like button because that really does energize and motivate me to create more great content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Have a wonderful day.